In this question, you can think of the equation as 10 plus x equals 20 minus 2x, where x is an unknown we made up to stand for 1 over y. This is not an act of fancy math. On the contrary, it's looking at the equation and saying 10 plus something is equal to 20 minus 2 of those somethings. So the difference between 10 and 20 is spanned by a total of the three somethings. So x must be 3 1/3, or 10/3. 10 and 20 are meeting part way between them by way of 3x. In that case, the inverse of our x, which is y, is 3 over 10. The textbook method here would be to multiply both sides of the equation by y and isolate the variable. But this is a quick way to the answer. The answer is C. Since that went a bit fast, we can expand on a more general point. When you face hard algebra or even easy algebra, you can sometimes make life easier for yourself by creating your own variable, working the problem and thinking in terms of that variable, and then switching back at the end. For example, say you were faced with this algebraic expression. You could optionally introduce the variable z equals x squared. By substituting, you're then working with a quadratic, something that's easier to work with, and you could switch back to x after you have solved for z.